Today I'm going to be making a black bean burrito.
Okay, let's get started. First, I like to get the burrito. I like this brand because it is mostly organic beans and vegetables, and they say you could make this either in the microwave or the toaster oven. I kind of like the taste better when it's made in the toaster oven. And the only thing is they tell you to wrap it in tin foil, and I don't have any tin foil, so I always make it just like that, and it gets sort of like hard, but I like it like that. Okay, so let's get started. One thing, okay, opening those isn't always the easiest. Okay, I've heated the oven to 350 degrees, and I'm going to put the burrito in there for about 50 minutes. Okay, it's been 50 minutes, and I'm going to remove that from the oven. As you probably can notice, sometimes it can sort of leak out a bit. But that's okay. It doesn't change the taste at all. The smell of this is making me hungry, so I can't wait to give it a try. Really good.